Yo, what's going on, Empires? I don't know why this bot said it deleted your message, but oh, because of all caps. I gotta fix that. But what's going on, man? It's been a minute. How you been? Stop spamming caps. That's crazy. I never knew it did that. What's going on, man? Did you get you some of this move earlier today? Man, both the Asia and this London session. Well, the Asia session looked like it was moving pretty nice. But not even the Asia session. It seemed like we've been getting a lot of movement as soon as like the sessions are over. Because you see, this is really Asia where it's like shaded in, and then boom, when Asia closed, we started moving. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be a little bit patient today, man. Okay, good, good. Yeah, yesterday was a nice day for me too. Let's see if we can get another one today. I definitely want to be a little patient though. Okay, dope. Yeah, we still got about 4 minutes until the market officially opens, and then I'll probably wait a little bit. It's still down right now, Trader. It says I'm logged in. Yeah, I'm still in. Or is it rejecting orders or something? I think I remember seeing that it was down last night or something. But I don't know if it's still down or not. Dang, yeah, I'm reading it right now. Sheesh, I'm kind of, I don't know. Trying to see if yeah, I'm not sure, man. Dang, it's gonna have me a little hesitant. I like to wait a little bit anyways. I'm probably gonna wait about uh, maybe like 10 minutes and see what's going on before actually getting into anything. All right, cool. So market is open now. Man, that's a huge regular trading hours gap today. And we do have like FOMC or something in the PM. So it might be better for us to maybe wait for that, or I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna give it a couple minutes. Yeah, see, now it's trying to tell me. Yeah, but as of right now, I'm pretty much hands off. Kind of want to see what it wants to do a little bit more. But longs definitely look good because, as you can see, we already tapped into this 4 hour fair value gap down here. And we're already pushing back up in the range. But the market's just open, so I needed to kind of figure out what it wants to do a little bit more first before I feel confident about getting into anything. Been kind of short biased though, not even gonna lie to you, but we shall see. So around like 9:40, I'm probably gonna start looking for an entry. We should kind of figure out where the market wants to go at that point. Shorts looking like they might be nice for today, but like I said, I'm gonna wait like 5, 10 more minutes, see what's really going on. Looks like we're coming back to this New York, the midnight open. We will see though. Nothing for sure yet. Buyers are starting to step back in now. So yeah, so we came down and we looks like we traded below the New York Open. I mean the midnight open. And now we're pushing back up. But now we just need some like solid if we want to go bullish, go long, we're gonna have to wait for some solid bullish structure to happen first. But like I said, I'm kind of I don't know why, but I'm a little short biased. But we would have definitely needed to sweep some more liquidity up on the top end before going short. So the move could be at least to this London high. If we're trying to go long, and then we have the all-time highs up there at 26,399. Yeah, buyers are stepping back in. Pretty nice. So it's 640 right now. I mean 940, my bad. Yeah, I think I still want to be a little patient. I'm not trying to rush this today. But longs definitely look nice. If you look at this 1 hour, like I said, we came down to that midnight open and we started pushing through the fair value gap. Oh, so nothing's working. Dang, that's not good. Oh, trading view isn't working either. Oh man, is it just rejecting it, or you getting was just rejecting it? Okay, yeah, it won't take the order, so it's rejecting. Okay, dang, that's trash. Yeah, if you got in down there, I know for sure. That's always when it happens too, when something crazy going on. Hey, that bot, I'm about to kick you out. Let's. I don't know why. I just removed the bot. I don't know why it's never done that before. I might have to go in there and tweak whatever it is. I just took it out. I have to tweak that later. I don't know what's going on. I've never seen it do that. I don't even remember putting that as a thing to like make people not that they can't type all caps. I don't know. It don't bother me. It bothers the Nightbot for some reason. Yeah, I'm not even mad about it now. Like about possibly missing out this trade if it's not even letting people take trades. So yeah, like I was saying, I was liking the short. So I mean, if we can, depending on how this, want to see how far it comes back up. I'll probably get in some shorts. 'Cause I'm loving the way these women and candles are praying right now. And then I'd probably target the opposite side of this, just maybe the 50% of this next fair value gap that's below this Asia low. But really no telling. First, I need to see if this is like a confirmed, if this really wants to go short. And this is why I like to wait. This is exactly why I say I like to wait like 10 minutes or something before hopping into my trades, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, however long. I just got to see all of this stuff get out the way. And then hopefully TradeAway lets me even take the trade in the first place. We're going to find out in a minute. Views out. Are you ended up stuck in your trades or how's that playing out? See, it's not showing me anything. Working. All good. Well, that was that. Had to try it at least to see what was going on, but yeah, it don't look like we getting anything today. Dang. So I mean, the news is at 2, so I mean, we still got time. But dang, it's all good though. There's always something going on somewhere, man. It don't matter what platform you're using. If it's Project X, if it's Trade Evade, Trading View, it's always something is always going on. And I feel like these shorts are about to take off without us. That makes sense. I mean, they have the power to do that, so I wouldn't hold it past them. I would not hold it past them. I wonder what platform has the least amount of problems. Like, you know what I mean? This is the type of stuff that makes me think if just going straight to a broker and leaving these prop firms alone. But I don't know. I'm just talking. Top step for starting. Yeah, everybody always says MP has something to do with it. Especially the way he just pulled Project X from all the other prop firms. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, man. So we just sitting here, man, because whatever they got going on is not working for Tradeovate. I might just do a demo account or something like paper traders. Yeah, I've been hearing about Bookmap, but I just ain't doing much research about it yet. Hey, were you able to get that demo account set up? Well, yeah, I do have a Hero FX. I never heard of what's the AAA FX? What's that one? I usually rock with Hero FX whenever I do, and they use a trade locker. I don't use I own too many Apple products. MetaTrader 5, they don't even give you that option for or MetaTrader. They allowed you can start trading in the US again? Or am I tripping? I don't know. I remember for a little while they blocked it. Okay, bet. Yeah, I swear I deactivated this bot. It's still trying to tell you. I swear I deactivated this thing. Well, it's not deleting your comments now. I guess it's just warning you or whatever. Man, I wish I could get in these shorts, man. Uh, I mean, they're like a staple in the trading in like Forex trading, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, but I just know they went through something. I just can't remember what was going on, but whenever I do trade with like a Forex broker, I just use a trade locker. I haven't used MetaTrader 5 in years, man. Like I don't even know how long it's been. Way too long. Yeah, I'm just trying to hang out at this point to see if this Trader Bay will get back online or something. Dang, I'm kind of sick. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But I mean, some people been getting stuck in their trades too. My kids are up. They wake up and start singing, "Roll, roll, roll your boat." That's funny. Yeah, gang, I don't know. Probably just gonna log off here in a minute. We'll see what's up. Guess I'm going to the gym early today. All right, bro, for sure. Yeah, so I mean, I was looking to go, like I was, like I was wanting to go short, like I was wanting to sell, but we kind of just range bound right now. We're not really going anywhere, and we got news later today, so it could be wanting to wait for the news to drop and then do what it wants to do. But I was overall thinking price, wanting to see price sell off and go down. 'Cause if you see, we've been so we have this London low right here, right? And we've been like when the market opened up, we went and swept the London low. So that was like an opportunity for us to go high and try and target this London high. But as you can see, we keep coming back and retesting it. So that's letting us know, you know, that there's not enough buyers to bring price back up there. The markets don't want to go back up there. So what and then you see we came down another time to retest it. And then from this point we failed to take out this previous high, right? And then now we're right back at the London low again. So that's, kind of like making me think that we don't want to go up any higher. Like I feel like this London high is going to be protected maybe until later or whatever. We still have the all-time highs right up above it, right? But just me personally, from what I see, I just feel like if it wanted to go up there, we should have gone up there already. Especially with the markets opening, it's like the most volatile is the first couple minutes. So now, as you can see, we keep playing around this London low, kind of going back and forth. So we keep getting like, these kind of like fake out candles that's making it seem like we want to go back up and then, buyers stepping in, but they're just not strong enough to take it up. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, the after lunch special, especially since we just bouncing back and forth. I'm like, yeah, maybe after lunch is probably gonna be better. Especially when you see it just range bound like this during the session, like during the AM session, like them PM sessions are on point. But again, we do have news that drops at 2 o'clock, which is like right at the start of that. So yeah, like it might just be better to trade the PM. Hopefully they can get whatever's going on fixed, like with Tradeovate, and allow us to play some trades. So that's probably what I'll have to end up waiting for. But I just want to see what the market's gonna do right now. Cause like I said, I am short bias, so I just want to kind of see if I'm right a little bit. But, it's better to not place a trade at all than to just get stuck in it with whatever's going on. Cause I done seen it happen too many times. People get in this and then, they end up losing their account because they were they get stuck in the trade and it's frozen. They can't close it. They can't do anything. But I am paying attention to Trade Days Discord, see if anybody's saying that it's fixed or nothing. But it seems like it's only a prop firm. Only prop firms are having the issues right now. Yeah, if we were using live accounts, we probably wouldn't even have any issue. Not even a bar close. So at this point, I'm looking at these fair value gaps that were supposed to push price higher and seeing if we fail them. Once we fail them, like if this candle right here could close below this, right, I would look for the next candle to possibly come back and retest it. It did it a couple times already. But this is how I just confirmed, like, because you kind of see how this candle closed outside of this green box, and then that next candle came, kind of retested it, and then started selling off again. And then it low key did the same thing with this one right here. That for me is like confirmation that, you know, we don't want to be in there. So you see, like, we came down, kind of closed out, and then we traded in it again. And then we started selling off again. Where we weren't able to really push much higher. We tapped into this bearish fair value gap up here. And I'm looking, that's how I kind of keep my mind on the structure. No, I would have already taken the short right here was where I wanted to get in for the short, but it wouldn't let me. That's the only thing. Like right here, price came up like right in that area. That's where I would have been in my short, but it wouldn't let me the markets is not letting me place my trade. So after seeing how price came up, we failed to take this high right here. We failed to take this high. When price came up right here, we didn't get anywhere back up there. And then you see we low key had a market structure shift because this red candle, right? Or even this green candle, however you want to look at it, but I just look at the red candle. So from this is supposed to be like a protected low point. So if price didn't want it to go higher, we shouldn't have too much closures below this red candle right here in my eyes. But the fact that we failed to take out this previous high and then came down and sold off lower than this red candle, like you see this, and then we had displacement through it. So we had an aggressive candle through that low. That was letting me know, okay, market's probably turning around and probably wants to go short. So once price comes back up to retest this area, that's where I'm looking to get in to go short. And I would just be wanting to target like, either this, see this green box in my left chart, either like that 50%, and then we have this regular trading hours gap. We can either like, test that 50% of that, this blue box, this purple box, or the 50% of this green box. And then we still have the Asia low, like, yeah. So yeah, I already wanted to go short, but there's something going on that's not letting us place trades right now. So I would be in this technically. And it would have been playing out nice for us right now, man. We could at least targeted like this Asia low or something. But here's that green box that I was talking about, like either the 50% of that. But yeah, technical difficulties, man. It happens. Yeah, we might just have to, like I said, we probably just gonna wait for the PM session, see if they can get this figured out. But until then, I'm not gonna be placing anything. But yeah, Ak, you can hit up my phone though. I'm about to just go ahead and log off. Ain't no point in sitting here. But that's what I was looking. I was looking for the shorts today. It's low key playing out, but we'll see. Like I said, we'll come back after lunch and see what's going on and see what we can get. Oh yeah, buyers step back in strong right here. Either way, we not in it. It don't even matter. But all right, bro. Yeah. Text me if anything or call me. I got you. But I'm gonna log off here. See y'all PM session. Probably about like 1:30.